Tari here from ABI Interiors, and today I'm outside Eden, which is the latest project by Sabdia Constructions. We're just moments away from Brisbane City, but as soon as we step inside this Hamptons style home, it honestly feels like a coastal holiday. So come along, we'll check it out. So as soon as you step in the front door, you've got the guest wing. What an entrance. A lovely window looking out into the flower garden, and you've got your own ensuite tucked behind there as well. So down the hallway and straight away we're into the kitchen, dining and living. Now, like I mentioned outside, this home is definitely inspired by the Hamptons, and we can see a few nice nods to that style coming in through this space. All the cabinetry is this white ash timber look, which almost gives off a kind of whitewash feel, which is very Hamptons. You've got farmhouse sinks. You can see another of our Henley farmhouse sinks in through the butlers there. Nice light timber flooring, and then of course the brushed nickel just pairs perfectly with these greyish tone bench tops. Now this living is just incredible. We've got a double height void here. And here's another nod to the Hamptons style. They've got a horizontal VJ, which kind of hints towards that shiplap style that is very prevalent in Hamptons. And then look at that view. So much light coming in through those gridded windows. An incredible pool area, which we will get to soon. But first, I've got a bit more to show you inside. Now tucked behind the staircase here, we've got the access to the garage with a mudroom, nice powder room, and this light-filled laundry. I have to take a moment for these tiles. An antique look vertical subway, so gorgeous. They feature in most of the bathrooms upstairs as well. Speaking of which, let's go check it out. There is a lot to cover on this top level. We've got one of the bedrooms down that end. Through these white barn doors, a media room with access to a balcony. Now follow me through to the third bedroom. Filled with light, another gorgeous space. We've got a walk-in robe, and then the ensuite, which connects to the next of the bedrooms. The palette in here is still very much on theme with that Hamptons style, but it feels pared back a little bit more Australian with the nice minimal bar mixes here, the brushed nickel, and these simplistic roll-out basins. Another sitting room up here. It just feels so spacious looking down over that void. And in we go to the master suite. I love that they've included that horizontal VJ again in a feature wall in here. Just a nice point of difference for the space, as well as that pop of pink in the styling. So much fun. And then we've got a very generous walk-in robe. And in we go to the master ensuite. It's still using all the same textures and tones as the other bathrooms. You've got that large format grey tile, but then the feature antique subway tile taking up this whole wall. It just looks extra special. You've got a freestanding bath, lovely oversized shower. Through the sliding doors, we enter the outdoor entertaining. Very generously sized out here. You've got multiple sitting areas, an outdoor kitchen. I love that they've brought in the weatherboard to the facade of this home. It ties in that shiplappy Hampton style yet again. Sabdia have really created a coastal retreat here in Brisbane City. I hope you guys have liked it just as much as we have. See you next time, guys.